In today's video, I'm going to show you how to debloat the Brave browser and reduce its CPU and memory usage. Whether you've noticed Brave slowing down your computer, or if you simply want a faster and smoother browsing experience, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to do. Let's start by opening your Brave browser. Once it's open, go to the top right corner and click on the menu icon. From the drop-down menu, select Extensions, then click on Manage Extensions. Here, you'll see a list of all the extensions installed in your browser. Take a moment to review them carefully. Disable or remove anything you don't actively use. Extensions can consume a significant amount of memory and CPU in the background, even when you're not directly interacting with them. Keeping only the essentials can make a noticeable difference in performance. Next, go back to the menu and click on Settings, then navigate to Privacy and Security. Find the option labeled Clear Browsing Data and open it. Switch to the Advanced tab so you can see more options. From here, choose a time range. If you want the best results, select All Time. Then check the items you want to remove, such as cached images and files, cookies, and browsing history. Be mindful with saved passwords and autofill data if you still need them. Clearing this data helps free up storage and removes unnecessary files that can slow down your browser over time. Next, move to the System section in Settings. Here, you'll find a few important performance-related options. First, turn off the setting that allows Brave to continue running background ops when it's closed, which prevents the browser from using system resources when you're not actively using it. Next, review the Hardware Acceleration option. On most systems, keeping it enabled improves performance by using your GPU. However, if you've experienced lag or high CPU usage, you can try turning it off and see which option works better for your setup. While you're here, look for the Memory Saver feature and enable it. This helps reduce RAM usage by putting inactive tabs to sleep, which is especially useful if you tend to keep many tabs open at once. Here are a few extra tips to keep your browser running smoothly. Try to avoid opening too many tabs at the same time, close unused applications running in the background, and regularly review your extensions to keep things minimal. Once you've made all these changes, restart your Brave browser. This ensures that all settings are applied properly and gives you a clean start. After restarting, you should notice a smoother and more responsive browsing experience with lower CPU and memory usage. That's all there is to it. With just a few simple adjustments, you can debloat Brave and significantly improve its performance without any complicated setup. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.